Starting your credit journey can feel overwhelming, but the right beginner credit card makes it simple, rewarding, and safe. Most people get this wrong. They grab the first card they see without considering credit-building features or manageable rewards. The surprising truth is that even a basic card can set you up for long-term financial success. Let's break it down. The Discover It Student Cashback Card is a perfect beginner option. It offers 5% cash back on rotating categories each quarter, 1% on all other purchases, and a dollar-for-dollar match of all cash back earned in the first year. Another strong pick is the Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards card, giving 1.5% cash back on all purchases and helping you build credit with easier approval requirements. Tips for beginner cards. 1. Pay your balance in full every month to avoid interest. 2. Start with small, regular purchases to build credit responsibly. 3. Track rewards and spending to develop good habits from the start. Who should get these cards? Students, young adults, or anyone new to credit. Even small purchases like gas, groceries, or streaming services can help establish a solid credit history. If this guide helped you find the best beginner credit cards, subscribe for more tips on building credit, maximizing rewards, and starting your financial journey strong. The right first card can set the stage for a lifetime of smart credit use.